Stop losing money. Avoid these three costly real estate blunders. In the high-stakes world of real estate, a single misstep can cost you dearly, sometimes to the tune of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Imagine losing a significant portion of your life savings because of a seemingly minor oversight or a lack of information. This is not just a hypothetical scenario, it happens more often than you might think. Real estate transactions with their complex negotiations, intricate legal details, and substantial financial implications are fertile ground for costly errors. By identifying and understanding these pitfalls, you can save yourself from financial grief and ensure your investments grow rather than shrink. Number one, ignoring the importance of location. The adage location is the cornerstone of real estate investment for a reason. The value of a property is intrinsically tied to where it is situated, and ignoring this can be a costly error. For instance, properties in areas prone to natural disasters or in declining neighborhoods often see depreciating values catching uninformed buyers by surprise. Examples abound. Consider a buyer who invested in a seemingly affordable home only to find that its proximity to a soon-to-be constructed landfill decimated its resale value. Another common scenario involves investors who purchase properties in areas with poor access to amenities, leading to longer than expected vacancies and reduced rental income. To avoid such pitfalls, conduct a thorough analysis of the location, look at the current environmental conditions, planned future developments, and socioeconomic trends. Engage with local real estate experts and planners to gain insights that are not immediately apparent. Number two, underestimating total costs. Real estate transactions involve more than just the purchase price. Many buyers leap without considering additional expenses such as taxes, maintenance, insurance, and potential refurbishing costs, which can all add up to a significant sum. For example, neglecting to account for the high cost of property taxes in a certain district can lead to financial strain and even foreclosure in extreme cases. The average financial loss from such oversights can range from thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the property's value and the nature of the overlooked expenses. A new homeowner might find themselves overwhelmed by unexpected repairs and renovations needed to make a property livable or marketable, which were not accounted for in the initial budget. To guard against these surprises, make a comprehensive checklist of all possible expenses. Consult with real estate professionals such as agents and attorneys who can help you understand and prepare for these costs. Additionally, reserve a contingency fund that covers unexpected expenses post-purchase. Opting out of a professional inspection to save money can be one of the most short-sighted and costly mistakes in real estate. Inspections can uncover hidden problems such as structural damage, old roofing, faulty wiring, or plumbing issues that could cost immensely in the long run. Consider the case of a family who skipped the inspection to expedite their purchase, only to discover severe mold and termite damage months later, leading to repair costs that exceeded the initial savings from foregoing the inspection Such stories are not uncommon and highlight the financial dangers of cutting corners. Always hire a reputable inspector, ensure they have strong credentials and good reviews. Their detailed reports can help you negotiate better terms or decide against a bad investment. Remember, the cost of an inspection is minuscule compared to the potential losses from undiscovered defects. This essay has outlined 3 common but costly real estate blunders: ignoring the importance of location, underestimating total costs, and skipping professional inspections. These mistakes can lead to significant financial losses, turning what should be a profitable investment into a financial nightmare. By taking proactive steps, conducting thorough location assessments, preparing for all possible costs, and insisting on professional inspections, you can safeguard your investments. Real estate offers profound opportunities for wealth creation. Don't let avoidable errors undermine your financial future. For those interested in deepening their understanding of real estate investment and avoiding pitfalls, numerous resources are available. Recommended reads include Real Estate Finance and Investment Manual by Jack Cummings and The Book on Managing Rental Properties by Brandon and Heather Turner. Additionally, websites like Investopedia and BiggerPockets provide valuable articles and community advice. Remember, continuous learning is key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving real estate market. Equip yourself with knowledge, and you'll not only avoid costly mistakes, but also enhance your potential for success.